And in this particular video, we didn't come up for anyone, you know. Bako, NDC MP, we unfortunately for us now. NDC MP Bako, our Ayawaso East constituency, what one anonymous here. Remember, on Tribuna face, no. Ablakwa, our foreign affairs minister, Wababo Bonadrian actually Donald Trump for arresting, Venezuela president. That is amount to remove. I Penyah broke media. That's why I say I need him. Obe like video, no other put a subscribe button, some click verification, latest update, number to the wide and the mammy, comments, expense of us. No share for Spanish Biashe. Nanka 2025 for no a fear, in fact, Ghana no a tam Kessie, a fear ye can and Quebec can't tam. As I know ya fear just as Santimine, you Lucy ye Nibako. The whole man point him or 12 no see as Santihima, you just say. Afi 25 when they are fear be chire Ghana pa be mafia pa ye lusu ministers cabinet ministers elusi MPs anymore they are the former president ewu ye just say afi 25 when they any we see Ghana hanum na ano ehye nenke nim say busua afi na kwa wie ye ama ye ho asan ye wura afufuro mu ye de anije ne be wura but enye sa na asem no etie eno a ana mbrovira ka kire say Accra circle eja to honomo as a honyina ehye ena aye 4th January 2025 we say yanka bi shemu me honam hu say Dr. Frank Amakohene aw ye the Ashanti regional minister for the National Democratic Congress me hu say one week post and the post na say wa twire say Ayawaso East wan fa hwe yanka honam say Ayawaso East say the na course one say bia omo say na say do mo no omo say omo begigi every seat bia tram say bia omudo money say eba akwa e bia by election bi akoda ho wanam ka say da bi Ayawaso East kwa nipa no ote so na oye NDC ni enti no adede na esi ho no mo a opa na sabe police Ayawaso East answer my mamnya finance kwansima anam hu say your news reporter Penyah Block Media your news reporter na Pia say Martin wa report on our official website o kire mu say Ayawaso East member of parliament wa to na no say as in din no Honorable Mouhamad Ture. Honorable Mouhamad Ture what one anonymous here as a Sunday 4th January 2025 no. Anna Chamai, Ayenya media. I say we abe area hosem 25 simono. Wabeti ewo na no. For empenning for no. I may see an by election abeda Ayawaso East. Now papa no atena akunya no so ache. Kobekaya on ya 1965 17th March 1965 ene wo Nasel Ture Mahama ya wo no ewo Accra Nima ya fi mpimienu ene dumienu 2012 ene obeye member of parliament for Ayawaso East ana watena soa tena from 2012 ne watena soa besi 2024 kwa about was rene with 70% vote I say wo bie mu pa 2024 wo bie mu Koko Kroma yese ni hallmark de ade obi ade kai no MP for development say omso obo adwuma pa hallmark say na denema MP be say obere ni seat so far as at that mine no hold as NDC PC that we say as NDC PC but ene fofi antwata to see there Honorable Nasel Ture Mahama awoye NDC ni Ayawaso East member of parliament watoa na anonymous yedo ama we abeye arehosem enye izo Ghana 2025 ni de 2026 ni de ebonya mempa yese obeboa ina say 2025 is call ni de ohu ye mobo na won say amfia nkofa 2025 trend ni yesa de na ka Ghana yebewu because 2026 ya started new year then new year the way na ha say new year no eja ahye circle let's say 2 days time so no MP ebewu de na say afi 2026 ni de MY na asofo no hweye na obi abaye na mekan kire mu hweye na obi amaye na mekan ana the first mekan sa sebe mu kwase akeka no ye mesoso so ha no mo se mo da ne abefo bezem kunkum Ghana fo na mo for man na ye nsoso so ema mo ha no mo ewo we sofu bi amaye na mehu ye na mekan ye nsoso san kwase asem so ye nsoso Ghana ha ye ni abrepa ye nsoso ye jamu a bego akọ fo munu bonu afofo no ahohoma afofo no abetena Ghana sebe so be kun Ghana fo ye nyam ye nyanhwe ha hwemo mo nye careful mo obi amaye na mehu ye ntwema mo sa me particularly me ntwema mo obi emu ye ba be kama adwa kire ube mi hu yi be ba be ke kama adwa kyerɛ simple ntietia ama we abe arose na busia yanko Ablakwa any Donald Trump say we shall be ma wo fie o o na we say Ghana ni me ma e when we say Ablakwa e wo ho no mo what I say Ablakwa ye be ma kyerɛ say no wo ye be ma e busia obaka ya enra ana mbrov da ka kyerɛ say another president Donald Trump wako capture Venezuela president eye Maduro wako capture no ni nyina ne say omu believe say man wo ye drug cartel just say wo ye drug dealer or dealing drug any the first offense the second offense no just one more man ekwan hihia mu despite oil omu wo energy ni ade but ontimi manage omu energy ni ye any economy ontimi manage economy ni ye ti no me ma statistics ana echirem kra say okọ Venezuela man ni mu about 80% of the citizens they are poor and 70% of the country's population are extreme poor. They are in extreme poverty. Now, despite their oil, now you know, check oil, Venezuela, omu 300 billion barrels of oil. Not just a ton per ene current price per barrel. Omu oil na. Omu be making $17 trillion. That is way higher than the word GDP. Omo oil omo wono so omo ton a eburu wiase nyina GDP and so omo ya poor I say Emma because of that no enya no nko a ana face Trump eburu say why no autocratic leader just say he has imposed himself on the people on person beto be in pabo fro eno no nko a se omo so na omia wo mu eno no this can enjoy it no me ensan we enam so Emma Trump the military Trump at the US-based military echo Venezuela man mo January no 2nd January na dey be 3rd January no anajo 12 odom ko say by 2 a.m. there is we operation no e ma ka say omo bombo Caracas capital city Venezuela capital omo bombo ho no mo e na so mo ko che omo president no ene ne yere e ma isi ade omo ekwe e ma afterwards no Trump e be ka say be confirm say ono na akwache Venezuela president na ono de o man ewo mu nsem Trump and make sure say obehye niema the name be go akwa mu o nyai oman ne ma wo mu da bi American USA will take charge of the country. They will rule over the country for now. I know that can't was oil no one day obeton bi na wo de bia build oman ni ye obi make just oman be krabehwe Venezuela mine e be krabehwe what I say but oil the fan ebe no he has kept the oil but obey use oil no they are building Venezuela country no I'm an IF I don't send a word of caution Emma other president na we aso mu hwe no on send a word of caution Emma wo mu na busia me catch also say enra no Venezuelans no omu kura na yo omu krom no mu president ye tu na de so no omu ani agibo senra
Venezuela. ¿Listo?
Omu na tu omu jam no nim seleji omu no. Omu na ni agi ebosi. But other part of the world no, they found problem with the action of Donald Trump. Venezuela citizens square ni agi ebosi. But not Chinese president Edgar Lai. Ese adina Trump ekọ ho no de nyame ni Ukraine Trump abrichi international law anyone China president condemns the activity of Trump in Venezuela. And they were demanding immediate release of the Venezuela president. Now busia Chinese president ekani de we ya ana Minister of Foreign Affairs Honorable Okudzeto Ablakwa so no ede nanu disem aba wakasa in place of Ghana. Wa drop press statement ten and we chire mu say Ghana alarmed and deplores military invasion of Venezuela by the United States of America and its subsequent abduction of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife. Next, in simply put, Ghana condemns the activity or the action of or the military invasion of Donald Trump on Venezuela and the seizureship of Venezuelan president and his wife. Ghana condemns it. Yankee Kakra. Accra, 4th January 2026. The government of Ghana Republic is alarmed at the unilateral and unauthorized invasion of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela by the United States of America and the subsequent abduction of President Nicolas Maduro and his wife, Celia Flores, in the early hours of Saturday, 3rd January 2026. Now say, I did not accost Ghana, you condemn me. The Republic of Ghana, you can't boom, and yes, you condemn me. Ablakwa say na one kind of minute in Nigeria. Ablakwa me can you who wizard me. Why give me opinion? What does it? But Ablakwa as foreign affairs minister, or kasa me you know say no collective understanding. Ya kan ho abum. And I say we vehemently condemn the action of Donald Trump. Ghana expressed strong reservation against unilateral use of force and strongly deplores such acts that violate the Charter of the United States, the Charter of the United Nations, and international law, as well as the sovereignty, territorial integrity, and political independence of states. The Ghanaian government is keenly following the situation in Venezuela with great concern and note that such assault on international law, attempt at the occupation of foreign terrorists, and apparent external control of oil resources have extremely adverse implications on international stability and global order. That's what say Ghana no. Oh, Ghana government any day. I did not Trump no. Nani di actually. You show keenly concern. Now, in fact, oil no wako capture oil no capture you know. You follow the what the oil no be here. You said Trump, Ghana you grow horns. Ghana you grow horns. Ablakwa de kasado. What does it? Oh, you can see. Ghana also notes with deep concern statement by U.S. President Donald Trump that the U.S. will run Venezuela until such time as we can do a safe, proper, and judicious transition, and that U.S. large oil companies will be asked to go in. These declarations are also by Trump said, say Obama U.S. large oil company and alcohol no money say Omako extract oil no na oil no develop mine the ade and what's na Ablakwa can have and what you say these declarations are reminiscent of the colonial and imperialist era. They set a dangerous precedent for the global order. Such colonial ambitions should have no place in the post-Second World War era. Or just as now Trump ever say, I say, colonialism na unia person sade ba. How I say that ensure so fun tan no. And no one has a Trump ever sade ba. Na Ghana they condemn say any say we as so sade way so there be any say also that krokrada. Any say also. We've gone past that. We don't have to tolerate this. To allow this is to put the international community at great risk and undermine the sovereignty of every country. Ghana, therefore, reaffirms its commitment to the principle of self-determination and holds the firm view that only the Venezuelan people should freely determine their political and democratic future. Ghana, I say, Yejina Brane, Etiachemu say, I did not Trump by the day, support it. Now you believe say, I was said Timemufo na Venezuela for Nankasana. Omwana, they are the custodian of their country. It almost muchire how omo mine esiko enye will be in Ghana condemn the action of Trump. Ghana calls for immediate declaration, immediate de-escalation, and the release of President Maduro and his wife. Yes, he has sent a strong warning to Trump. Ghana sent a very stern warning. Yeah, warning Trump the head. Trump. Ablakwa. Trump. Ablakwa the head. Trump. Say wouldn't him. Na say when young Maduro president in the area are the very young. Hey, Trump. Ablakwa. Ablakwa. Ablakwa be kunya fele. Ube kunya. Ablakwa na dia be kwa manie mu. Ablakwa na dia be konso. Sabe kan ye. What I say? Na say Ghana ye with immediate effect ye demand say hey baby krobia ode Maduro, Nicolas Maduro, I Venezuela president and in the year Celia Flores. Odo makwashibia he onyo mumpi. Ye mpenkwasi ase. Onyo mumpi. The government of Ghana shall maintain and defend its long-held principled position against invasion, occupation, colonialism, apartheid, disregard for sovereignty, and all forms of violation of international law. Tiwei ene nsɛm a Okudzeto Ablakwa ɛka ɛde kyerɛ American President Donald Trump for the military invasion of Venezuela and the censorship of Venezuela president and his wife. Just Ghana with immediate effect, he demanded the release of the president and his wife. Says Okudzeto Ablakwa, Foreign Affairs Minister. Chidawadi and Mami, a comment session. I have Penyah Media. Accra.